Let me show you how to make Fideo Verde with meatballs. My way. To make the meatballs, I have here 2 pounds of ground beef. You can use any meat you want. And let's season it. With about a quarter teaspoon of cumin, 2 teaspoons of garlic powder, 2 teaspoons of onion powder. You can also go eyeballing, nothing wrong with that. Whatever you want to add more, is fine. Also add 2 tablespoons of cornstarch and a quarter cup of fresh chopped cilantro. Add salt and black pepper to taste. Bring all the ingredients together. To form the meatballs, I like using an ice cream or cookie dough scoop. This helps to make all the meatballs the same size, but you can make them with your hands and the size that you like. This ground beef was 80% lean and 20% fat, so I didn't have to add any cooking oil into the pan. They're cooking in their own fat. I also like to overcook them and make them a little crispy on the outside, just because I think this intensifies the flavor, but you can cook them how you like. And don't get rid of the leftover fat yet, we are going to use it later. To make the sauce, you are going to need 3 poblano peppers, 3 tomatillos, 3 jalapeños, half onion, and 3 cloves of garlic. Remove the stem and take the seeds off from the poblanos. And cut everything in pieces just to add in the blender. I also removed the seeds from the jalapeños because I don't want the heat, just the flavor. Add in the blender about a quarter cup of cilantro and all the vegetables with just enough water to blend. Make sure everything blends well and set aside. I'm using an 8 quarts pot, and here we are going to add some of the leftover fat, just enough to fry the noodles. This is 1 pack of 8 ounces of fideo. Stir and fry on medium heat until golden brown. Then add the sauce and rinse off the blender, don't waste anything. Then just add more water until you fill 3/4 of the pot. Add the meatballs. Many of them didn't make it into the soup, but they were so good I couldn't stop. I added about 3 tablespoons of chicken bouillon and mixed. Let it cook for 10 minutes on high heat, and while that cooks, cut 3 zucchinis and a half longwise, then into slices of about 1 centimeter of thickness. Then add them in the soup and cook for another 10 minutes with the lid on. And then it's ready to serve. Now let's put some toppings. Crumbled queso fresco, radishes for color, more cilantro, and a squeeze of lime. And enjoy. Subscribe to my channel for more real Mexican food and Mexican fusion.